Gonna do a quick movie here about our 71. We did a light restoration on it. Paint, bumpers, emblems, interior, power steering, power brakes, new wheels, new tires, new exhaust. These seats slide back and forth 11 inches, so even the big boys can drive this. Put the stock seating back there. Nice 6-point roll cage. Finish trim on the wipers, all new. Wipers are new. Dash pad has original one crack in it. Refurbed the gauges. New tack. New Kenwood stereo. Made these 4 stereo holders back here using 6-inch irrigation pipe ends, blocks. New center console. Factory power steering is go down the road 50 miles an hour and take your hands off the steering wheel. It's pretty nice. Did the RV mirrors so we wouldn't have to screw any holes in the body. Half doors. Gotta have the Oregon Ducks floor mat. Original floor pans. Pretty nice. Billet fuel covers. 31 1050 15s on American Racing. Put new fuel tanks, skid plates, exhaust. Like I say, light restoration. Registered it. Built the swing away spare with stud mounts instead of that crazy hanger. Had to bend the emergency brake ratchet so I could start it on a hill. Unlike a lot of Broncos, the emergency brake actually works. There we go. Let me get it neutral. That way we can start it. Bear with me here while I get up there. Those gas caps are locking gas caps. Turn signal. Oh. Actually has a horn. Let's see if the stereo's tuned in. Oh, no device. Radio. I just filled both tanks and the gas gauge isn't reading, so I'll make sure the connections are good, and if it still doesn't read, it's got to be the gauge itself, because the the fuel sensors are in place correctly and they worked. Had about 70 ohms. Anyway, here it is. New windshield, new weather strips. Very, very lightly used. Best top, soft top with clear glass. Been stored for 5 years but never put on a Bronco. It is now. New seating, new sliders. Gosh, like I say, the heater works, high, low, cables work. Should be able to get in this thing and drive it anywhere you want. There you go. Check this out, EM2. Good luck.